Well, good afternoon, Sheila. Thank you for joining our conference as such an important keynote speaker. Could you please give a brief introduction of yourself to our new audience?
Yes, first of all, thank you so much for letting me join this conference. It's been a wonderful experience. I'm Sheila Mikhail. I am the co-founder and former CEO of AskBio. I am also the founder of Columbus Children's Foundation. And at Columbus Children's Foundation, we develop gene therapy treatments for ultra-rare disease.
Thank you, Sheila. And what brings you to join our annual conference, and how is your experience so far?
My experience has been incredible. I was really happy to reunite with a lot of my colleagues that I haven't seen in a while. And of course, Philadelphia is such a big gene therapy hub. A lot of great research is being done here, and I got to hear a little bit about some of that research and also developments in the field in general. So it was an incredible networking opportunity and a great experience just learning what's going on in my field, things that I wasn't aware of.
I know that a lot of old friends came just for your speech, and you definitely will gain a lot of new fans.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you so much. And the third question would be, what is the key takeaway message from your talk today?
My key takeaway message is we have to think about inclusion, making sure that we develop gene therapy treatments for ultra-rare diseases. It's not commercially viable always to do such in a for-profit structure. So we need to think creatively about how do we give these kids access to our transformative technologies, because our technology is biblical, right? It makes people, the lame walk, it makes people who can't hear, makes the blind see. And so we need to make sure that we share our technology with others, because for a lot of patients, there's no treatments available today. So we have an obligation to figure out how to make sure that we give access to ultra-rare diseases.
Technology is one thing, but get the patient the access to that technology, it's also important.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah. The last question would be special for you. So as an excellent women leader, can you say something to inspire all the women professionals who come to this conference and also work in this field?
Yeah, so it's harder for women, I'm going to be quite honest. I mean, the numbers demonstrate it's harder to raise capital and whatnot. But I think in some ways, the fact that people sort of underestimate us gives us a huge competitive advantage.
Potential.
Well, they just don't think that we're going to be able to do things, perform as well. And then when we surprise them, I think we are able to do things more easily because we're underestimated. And so I have always found, even though it's harder to access money, I've been more creative, right, in figuring out how to build companies and programs through non-dilutive funding sources. And in actuality, that gave me a lot more control over the future of the company, and probably is the main reason why for 22 years I stayed as the CEO and wasn't pushed aside for somebody else. So I would say it's hard, but think differently. Women are different. We have different obstacles. We have different ways of thinking. Yeah, don't try to conform. Find your own way. Yeah, use your uniqueness and the fact that you're a woman to rewrite the rules to work for you.
Yeah, find your own way and maybe able to do something different.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.